Hello, Hello everyone. I'm Chanpit Kaur, working as an assistant professor and head of agriculture department at Khalsa College of Management and Technology, C Block, Ranjit Avenue, Amritsar. Today I am going to discuss the classes of the seed, and before I start its classes there are some basic information we need to study about, and that is what is seed. So, as we all know, seed is a material used for planting and regeneration purposes. You can say that seed are the protectors and the propagators of their kind. As the entire crop is depend on its quality used by the farmer for sowing and planting. So, in the broader term, seed is a material which is being used for planting purposes, and scientifically it is the fertilized mature ovule covered by the seed coat. Here in the diagram, the indication of the dark shaded portion at the top is known as endosperm, and the outer layer shown in the diagram is known as the seed coat. There is also one term is related to the seed coat, is that the seed dormancy. What is seed dormancy? Seed dormancy is a condition when the plant fail to germinate due to its hard seed coat. Then comes cotyledon and embryonic plant parts. Consist of epicotyle, hypocotyle and the radicle. There is also a technical point of view about the seed is that it is a fertilized ripened ovule consisting of three main parts: seed coat and endosperms or and embryos, which we discussed already with the help of the labeled diagram. The propagating material of healthy seedling, tubers, roots, cuttings, and so on can also be used for the production purposes. So, here is all about the seed which we need to know about. Then come to its classes. There are four classes of the seed, that is nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed and the certified seed. So here from this picture we can get an idea that each of its classes is further divided into its sub stages. It is shown in the diagram that nucleus seed stage 1 has its sub stage, that is nucleus seed stage second, and it is breeder seed. It is the progeny of the breeder seed stage 1, which is used for the further to produce breeder seed stage second, and breeder seed stage second is the progeny of the foundation seed stage 1. Again, it is used to produce the foundation seed stage second, which is the progeny of the certified seed stage first, and it is used to produce the certified seed stage second. Then it comes to the farmer's field. So the first one is nucleus seed. We can also say it initial seeds. When the plant breeder produce a new variety by the multiplication, the product they can get is known as the nucleus seed. It is the production can only be done by the plant breeder who produce the variety, and nobody can else can produce the nucleus seed, or it is the basic nucleus stock. So, there are two types of purities. First is genetic purity, and the next is the physical purity. Breeders maintain its genetic purity to avoid the cross pollination from the surrounding field. If it occurs, If the cross pollination occur, variety will be genetically contaminated, and the it can be maintained by the proper isolation and timely rogging. What is rogging here? Rogging is the process of removal the diseased plant. So, in the case of nucleus seed, the genetic purity is always 100%, and the physical purity, there should not be any mixture of debris, seed from other variety, or any stone, etc. So, its physical purity is also 100%. Then its minimum germination percentage is also 100%, which means all plants can germinate, yes. There is no need of any certification, because the original breeder is doing its cultivation under the strict supervision, so proper isolation and rogging process. Also, there is no need of tag and its colors. Here in the nucleus seed, it is an important point to note down, that is, many of the students can be wrong in their competitive examination questions, as there is a complex question which can contain options like color of tags, and students are confused and they choose a wrong answer. So it is for the it is an important point to keep in the mind, that there is no tag for the nucleus seed, so there is no tag color for the same. Then breeder seeds. Breeder seed can be defined as its progeny of nucleus seed, and it is multiplied in the large area as per in the intent of the Department of Agriculture and Corporation, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of Agriculture, under the supervision of the Plant Breeder Institute and state agriculture universities. So the color of breeder seed is golden color, and its genetic purity is 100%, physical purity is also 100%, because the nucleus seed, like the nucleus seed, there are all same rules and regulation being followed, so there is no need of certification, but there is a tag color. There is a tag color, as I said earlier, which contain its color like yellow, golden yellow color. So maximum question can be asked on its color, also about its size, and its size is 12 centimeter long and 6 centimeter wider. It produced the foundation seed and the breeder seed stage second. Then foundation seed stage. It is the progeny of breeder seed and also foundation seed stage second, both same as the breeder seeds. It is the production, its production can be done by the state agriculture universities, national seed corporation, state seed corporation, societies, agencies, and the private sectors. It can be produced it's on the large scale, and therefore its genetic purity can be suffer like 97 to 98%, and in somewhere you can find 99.5 to 99.9 also. Physical purity for this is 95%. Minimum germination percentage for the foundation seed is 70 to 80%. and there are some inert matter that is 2%, because it is produced by the private sector and many more. So therefore it can lead the trust issues related to its purity. Due to this, there will be a need of seed certification, and the seed certification can be done by the agencies, and they done by the agencies, and agency can do inspection about its isolation, about its process. So those who want to produce the foundation seed must take the permission from the state seed certification, and the tag color is white, and its size is 15 centimeter long and 7.5 centimeter wide. It will produce the certified seed, and the foundation seed stays second. So now come to the certified stage, last certified seed, last class of seeds. It is the progeny of the farmer's seeds and the foundation, which is produced by the farmer, and there are more chances of the cross pollination, as the farmers field are more unproductive by the nearest field. So it means the certification is essential in this class, and it is done by the state seed certification agencies. So genetic purity for this seed certified seed is 98%, physical purity is 90%, and the minimum germination percentage is 60 to 80%. So again there is a tag color that is azure blue color, and its size is 15 centimeter long and 7.5 centimeter wider, and it can also be produced on the large scale. It is a large scale multiplication. So it produce the commercial seed production, which we known as the certified seeds. Certified seeds, like we can say the quality of seed. In some addition of the information. In some addition of the information that the company wants to if the company wants to produce them, then they are not required to use the instructions and the process of the state seed certification agency. So they are allowed to produce by the Seed Act 1966, which is known as the seed they produce known as the truthful labeled seed, and it is and there is the seed inspection, which is done by the seed inspectors. Why the seed inspection? To check the physical and genetic purity. If both will be okay, physical and genetic purity both will be okay, then it will be certified by the seed inspectors. So its tag color is green, and its size is 15 to 10 centimeters. So there is also a registered seeds, but you can read from some books, but the registered seed is now not produced in the India. So registered seed is the progeny of foundation seed, sorry, and its tag color is purple. So, and there is a certified seed format which contain the species, cultivation name, category, and reference number, the date of issue certificate also. There are also a lot number, pure seed, inert matter, and other crop seed, also a weed seed. The many of the information contained on this label, and many of the label. So that is all about the classification of seed, and thank you.